Good evening, folks. Actually, good morning. It is 12/19, September 20th, Broken Arrow, 2021. Right here we're looking at our space weather enthusiast at Space Weather Prediction Channel. Now you can see right here we had a nice sea flare on the 18th. Here's the 19th, which was yesterday, technically. I'm just a little behind the 8-ball, folks. Apologize for that. And then, of course, we have our normal dips. But you can see in here we had a bunch of B flares popping off in here. Let's go ahead and head down and see what we had for radiation absorption. What we got going on here from Enlil Prediction Center. You can see we're getting blasted right here with radial velocity. That's actually pretty stiff. Ooh, there we go. Let's hit the pause on that. Just a little glancing blow. Looks like right there, the 20th or 17th. And then all of a sudden it shows smooth sailing. Nothing after that. Really? Huh. Yeah, you might as well go chill out and get some sun. Like, well, why would we do that? What is that then? I don't know about that. It's got me a little iffy, especially when you look up here. I mean, look at this. You can see over here, you can see what all your different, you got your temperature, your speed, your density. I mean, what in the crap? Really? But we're good to go, right? And here we are at the European Space Agency, and it's looking like, oh look, we're going to get more here. Boom, on the 22nd. And another nice peak on the 25th. I mean, this right here, this is what we're looking at. This is why I come here instead of looking at Enlil. It's way more accurate, more detailed. I mean, they're actually showing the plasma. They're actually showing us getting tattooed with it. You see that? Well, how come Enlil's doesn't show that? I don't know. You don't think NASA's lying, do you? I don't know. And here we are over at the Soho Movie Theater, Lasco C3, right here, and I got it ready to go for us on the 19th, which would have been yesterday, and goes up to today, really. But let's go ahead and hit play, 5 frames per second. Of course, you see all the activity going on. Of course, I got a lot of friends, all my little buddies, my friends. You can see all the engine trails going behind it. And we did have another explosion that kind of popped off, and you've seen it right there. Wow, all of a sudden this got thick. Whoa, and then we got the Memorex. Well, there's stuff happening over here they don't want you to see. If you actually pay attention, it actually kind of moves a little bit. Why would it move? I don't know. Let's go see what happened over at C2. Here we are at C2. Got it ready to go for us right around the 19th. Let's see here. Whoop. There was an explosion off the left side there. Oh, there it is. Ooh, that's a good one. But yet, Enlil didn't show anything. See all the little friends we got showing up? Ooh, look at all them signature trails. Woo! Exciting stuff. I wonder what Seeds is going to show us. You guys think Seeds will show us anything? Ooh, like something giving birth? Yeah, this is from the 18th. We saw that big old beauty thing. But let's go take a look over at Seeds and see what Seeds has for us. Yeah. Here we are at Seeds. I'm going to go ahead and hit these. Anybody that knows me knows I like to go one at a time. So here we go. So we can watch. Look at this perfectly round thing right there. What is that? Kind of shows the same thing here. Almost like a planet or something. That is huge. What do you think? What do you guys think? Leave your comments. Please share, hit like, and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Spread the news, spread the word. Let people know what's going on. Whoa, do you guys see that? Look at that. It's on both of them. Signature trail. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Pulse engine. How you doing? Oh, there's another one. Same here. Man, Mickey D's. I'm loving it. Okay. Oh, that's just some nasty ejectite. Oh, what is that right there? Round? What? Oh, wait. What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Oh, this is just, they almost make it easy. I mean, once you kind of get your eyeball trained for a second, it's like, wait a minute, what is that? And then you're able to start seeing stuff. Ooh, this is the one that came off this morning at 6 o'clock. That's actually got a lot of energy in it. Look at the roundness on that. Perfectly round. Oh, look. Perfectly round. Right there. Oh, look at that. Ooh, there's another one. How are you doing? And there's another one right there. They almost make it too easy. I mean, and the thing is I don't have a exacto eyeball to be able to see it. You can just see it. Look at all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. Goodness gracious. If our planet is giving birth, man, holy crap, how many pups can she have? Ooh. There's a lot of energy coming out of that, though. Oh. That's quite a few. Yeah, buddy. Anybody seeing any more? I'm sure you do. Oh, wait, let's back that up for a second. What was that? Wow. Signature trail there, just like here. And then that one. Same as there. And if you zoom in, you'll actually see the engine, the pulsing. Doom, doom, doom. Come on, next. Thank you, next. Ooh, oh, how you doing, little buddy? There's one of her pups right there. I called it a pup. There's one right there. There's another one right there. I hope everybody's like starting to wake up. I mean, please share this with your friends, and actually go through this with them. Sit down next to them and say, "Hey, do you see this too? Because I'm seeing it. I'm seeing what this guy's seeing. This Jacob of Ephraim. I see what he's seeing. Do you see it? Show your friends. Get their opinion. I mean, how else are people gonna wake up if you're not kind of showing them? Because how many people are like got their face stuck on their phone? No offense, because you're actually like doing that now while you're watching this. But you get what I'm saying. Like, what's going on? We need to get our faces out of the phone. Start looking up at the stars. See what's happening. Oof, interesting. Now let's go to the fun spot. Let's go see what's really going on here. Okay, folks, I'll get everything slowed down to run about half speed and queued up and ready for us to go. So we're going to go ahead and go on with this. Let her rip, Tater Chip. So this right here is what happened on the 18th. So all will come off and we'll be on the 19th here in just. Now this one's very active. She's a wee grumpy. But we actually have one right around here that's starting to form. Isn't that pretty? It looks like a flower on the side. Whoa, did you just see that? That was a big coronal mass ejection on the 19th. Did you guys see that? Whoa. Scary, folks. Real scary. Let's come on over here, take a peek at what we got here. We've got several little friends, so just keep your eyes peeled. If you want to go back and hit pause, go right ahead. Whoop, we just had 2 of them if you haven't seen them already. on this instrument here, I believe this is 335. We have a few of them, but the next one is the fun one. Quite a few of them. Whoop, you see the other one there? Right about here. Whoop, there's another right there. Another one there. There's a few of them. It's not too bad. But yeah, see it? Look at this thing starting up. Whoa, out of nowhere. With that thing getting angry, and then another one around the side. Ooh, just on the other side of the limb. Ooh, folks, I don't know. I'm not gonna lie, I got a little pucker in my pooper going on right now. A little bit of pucker. Okay, let's bring this thing right here, and there we go. Now keep your eyes peeled. There are some friends. Whoop, there was one right there starting off. See him? Top up left. Whoop, top right. We actually have 2 of them. One will hit here, and then one will hit here. Real bright. Very nice here in a little bit. But it's really nice because I love this one. As you can see, this. You saw that flare. We actually had another flare. Today we had, on the 19th, we had a C flare. Oh, did you see him? And then this, you're actually watching the birth. You're watching the birth of a sunspot getting active and not happy. Oof. Can't wait to see what that looks like tomorrow, huh? That'll be exciting. Alright, let's come on over here to my favorite. Come here, little buddy. Start him over. Here we go. Ooh. See the whole surface of the sun just change when it pops like that? It goes whoosh, sends out waves. They call it a solar tsunami. Is the wave where it pops across the surface of the sun. Ooh. Whoa, look at that. That's what came out of too. Oh. I don't like you. Ooh, some more going off there. Man, that just looks eerie, doesn't it? Ooh. Oh, see it getting born? Look at that rip. Ooh, fun times we're living in. Fun times. Alright, This one, folks, this one actually tells a lot. You're going to see this coronal hole here and this one here get bigger and join before your very eyes. Luckily, I slowed this thing down so that you can watch. And this right here is Earth facing us right, not like literally right now. It's Earth facing. You've seen all that come out of the end. Look at this. Look at this. It's forming right in front of your eyes. It's forming. It's going to start joining down here. Look at that. Remember that thing I said was ugly? Look at that. So this is just a big old thing of plasma ready to kick off. Oh, look at that wave. Looks like the sun is just ready to just throw up at us. Yep, birthing. Ooh. Scary stuff, folks. Lots of crazy things going on right now. I'm hoping that everybody's starting to become awakened and you're starting to get a little more energy, or you're feeling anxious about things, like something's not right. You can just feel it. Man, I've been feeling it like crazy the last 2 days. Of course, I'm also very, very sensitive to the Schumann resonance. When the Schumann resonance is high, oh my gosh, I'm feeling it. I feel anxious. I have a hard time keeping my mind straight. Like if I'm trying to focus on something, I have a hard time focusing. Look at that thing birthing. Oh, how you doing? Ooh. And then one coming up over here too. Oh. This is gonna get fun. Yes, for sure. Ooh. Alright. Now, you've heard me mention Schumann, but I don't think I've shown everybody about the Schumann resonance at all. Let me pull it up real quick. Okay, this right here is our Schumann resonance, folks. You see this? It's literally off the charts. Like, it would have blown way past. Like, yeah. This right here, this was the 19th. It gives you the time right here. Okay, 1800, 1200, 0600. So it starts here in the morning, goes, and then it kind of gives you a little break. And then, haha, just kidding. Well, they also scrub stuff. They are very well known. So you got the 18th, 17th, 16th. What is this? Why are they spiking like that? Wow. Earth's crying out, if you want to say. But this is why I'm very sensitive to this. I feel this stuff, and it drives me bonkers. I'm not even gonna lie, I have a hard time concentrating. I was so agitated on Sunday, and I mean extremely agitated. I was like, I wanted to fight everybody. I couldn't take it. This really affects me. Now, not everybody's the same way, but this really affects me. The fact that we're gonna have a full moon here in a couple days, oh my gosh, this actually affects a lot of people, and they don't even know it. It won't be a full moon, and yet, but if this is blasting off, you could be having the same kind of issues. So at a full moon, and if this thing's going off too, oh my gosh, are you kidding me? So this right here is a VLF chart, very low frequency monitor is what it is. So you can see there's quite a bit of noise stuff happening at these times. So that's definitely not good. But this is where I'm at. This is where, matter of fact, I'll tell you what, folks. Here's what I'm gonna do. Actually, yeah, we'll put a star on it. Add it to bookmark. And we'll kind of start doing a daily check. And we'll kind of check it and see where we're doing for everybody. Alright? Folks, please, be safe out there. And when that Schumann is high like that, believe it or not, it's gonna sound stupid. Put a tinfoil hat, aluminum foil. Make a hat and put it on your head. You will notice immediate stop. Like within 5 seconds, you'll be like, holy cow, I feel better. Yeah, I'm not even joking. It really works. And don't ask me how I know. I've done it. And so I know that way. But how I figured it out, it's a long story. You guys be good and be safe, alright? Love ya.